After 7 days of scathing statements and splashing at least £1 million each, Rebekah Vardy and Coleen Rooney's libel case has come to an end. We've heard plenty of unusual claims from the courtroom, but these were the most shocking. On the first day of the trial, Rebekah was asked about a 2004 News of the World interview, in which she spoke about an alleged sexual encounter with Peter Andre and commented on the size of his genitalia. She told Coleen's barrister that she was forced to do the shameful interview by her ex-husband and that some things had been misrepresented. A few days later, Peter Andre commented on the debacle on Instagram, saying the jibe had followed him for 15 years.
Think about how it would feel if it was the other way around, and that's all I'm saying. I think we all know now it was just a made-up story, fine, but it's a little more serious than that. And I think that it's not fair that something like this could happen again and again and again, and we talk about all sorts of things, about mental health, about being kind, about all that sort of stuff, and nothing seems to change.
Ever since this drama first unfolded, Rebekah has claimed she and her family were subjected to horrific abuse and threats. In the courtroom, her barrister said she was jeered and heckled at football matches, and was even told by trolls that her baby deserved to die. A lot of this case has relied on virtual evidence, but Rebekah was accused of deliberately deleting WhatsApp messages with her agent Caroline Watt. At one point, the court was reduced to laughter when she said Caroline was unable to provide messages from her phone because it had fallen into the North Sea during a boat trip. However, some messages were unearthed. Rebekah and Caroline discussed leaking stories about other footballers, including then Leicester forward Riyad Mahrez. In other instances, Rebekah reacted to Coleen unfollowing her, and the pair discussed some of her fake Instagram posts. This included one about Coleen crashing her Honda, which did go to press. Soon after, Caroline commented, "It wasn't someone she trusted, it was me." On Friday, Coleen told the court she was horrified to discover Caroline and Rebekah had spoken about her deceased sister Rosie. Rosie suffered from Rett syndrome and passed away in 2013 at just 14 years old. According to the messages, Rebekah asked if she should bring up Rosie in a conversation with Coleen in an attempt to put her off the scent. On Thursday, things wrapped up without Coleen, who jetted off on holiday with her family. There has been no immediate verdict, so for now we have to wait for the judge's final ruling.
I'll get that little piece of dandruff off.